Hello, today we are exploring Dubai, a captivating metropolis that stands as one of the most globally renowned and dazzlingly modern cities within the United Arab Emirates. This city is celebrated worldwide for its ultra-luxurious lifestyle, its monumental architectural marvels, its status as a premier tourism hub, and its stunning coastal beauty along the Arabian Gulf. Dubai is by no means an ordinary commercial city. It is widely recognized as a major global epicenter for finance, entertainment, and cutting-edge innovation. This is because the destination seamlessly brings together futuristic technology, high-stakes economic activities of billionaires, fashion, and contemporary luxury living all in one place. The city masterfully blends traditional Arabian culture with international modernity. On one hand, you will witness visionary designs looking straight into the future, while on the other, you can explore breathtaking man-made islands and ultra-luxury hotels. The brilliant shimmer of towering skyscrapers and thrilling desert safari adventures all coexist perfectly in this single destination. This absolute collection of luxury is precisely what makes Dubai completely unrivaled on the global stage. Let us take a moment to look at its history. Dubai was once a modest fishing and pearl diving village. The very foundation of the city began as a small trading post established right around the historical Dubai Creek. Unlike other regions, it began its transformation into a major commercial port during the mid-20th century. However, Dubai truly broke away from its heavy dependence on oil, pivoting itself into an international hub for tourism and business over the last few decades. The visionary leaders of the Al Maktoum family successfully transformed the city into a global masterpiece, laying the solid groundwork for the ultra-modern and massive metropolitan city we see today. Dubai is not merely a center for commerce, it stands as a grand testament to humanity's capability to turn the seemingly impossible into reality. Take a look around. As we journey through the city, we realize that Dubai is recognized as a global leader in groundbreaking innovations and massive real estate developments. It serves as a base for the world's most famous corporations, research institutions, and major business empires, making it a gateway of endless opportunities for professionals coming from every corner of the globe. Now, let us discuss its demographic makeup. Dubai hosts a diverse population of over 3.6 million residents within its metropolitan area. What makes it truly extraordinary is that over 85% of this total population consists of expatriates arriving from various countries worldwide, making it a genuine melting pot of global citizens. Dubai's culinary scene is just as luxurious as the city itself. World-class international cuisines prepared inside globally renowned, Michelin-starred restaurants can be found right here. Exquisite dishes crafted by top global chefs and luxury beverages infused with edible gold leaf never fail to amaze visitors. Furthermore, premium quality seafood selections offer a truly exceptional dining experience. Shifting our focus to governance and the economy, Dubai operates as the primary economic engine of the United Arab Emirates, backed by its dedicated free trade zones and robust financial regulations. In the economic sector, it serves as a massive powerhouse controlling trade, real estate, finance, and tourism, acting as a gathering ground for the world's largest banking institutions and global investors. In terms of tourism, Dubai remains a leading global destination. Its spectacular landmarks attract tens of millions of visitors every single year. Its primary and most iconic landmark is the world's tallest building, the majestic Burj Khalifa, followed immediately by the massive Dubai Mall, the luxurious Burj Al Arab, the magnificent man-made island of Jumeirah, and the stunning Museum of the Future. These landmarks vividly showcase Dubai's limitless prosperity and architectural grandeur. When it comes to transportation connectivity, Dubai acts as a central aviation bridge for the entire world. Dubai International Airport ranks as one of the absolute busiest airports globally, linking continents together within the city itself. The fully automated, driverless Dubai metro system, premium luxury fleets of taxis, and marine transport networks serve as the primary methods of public movement. So friends, what are your thoughts on the insights presented about this luxurious city of Dubai? Share your feedback with us in the comments section below. We will meet again soon with the story of another fascinating global city.